No, you. I gotta talk it to my nose. It's gotta come out of my nose to sound right. What the heck is that?
Ni.
Ni. Ni. Ben. They don't think so. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning sa lahat ng tao sa buong mundo. Good morning kayong lahat dyan sa mga nanonood. Sumakit yung likod ni Mister. Muntik na siyang natumba. Dahil yan sa umatake yung likod niya dahil sa pag-aayos ng sasakyan niya. Paligid-ligid kasi pagulong-gulong sa ilalim ng sasakyan, kaya yun. Pero good morning. Lumabas ako dito. Ang ganda ng araw. Ang ganda ng araw. Umulan kanina. It's raining last night, right? So.
Yeah, I don't think it was much rain, but the roof of the garage was all wet this morning. Still a little wet.
Oh yeah, I see. So, I guess hindi na ako ang saya ng ko, mga gulay ko. Hoy, ang saya. Wahapinan. Ang daming cucumber, guys, as in, guys. Doon sa likuran, ang dami. Look, ang daming cucumber. Tumubo. Lumago na sila. Ikat natin ito. I-harvest natin ito. Basa talaga siya. Tumubo na yung pinaplant ko na tumaas na yung string beans. Ito yung bagong string beans. Scallion. Ang iba payat, ang iba masaya. Daming bunga ng tomato doon. Guys, ang daming bunga yung raspberry. Look, tignan nyo. Daming bunga, Doon din sa likuran. So mag-harvest tayo ng raspberry very soon. Malapit na yun. Ang dami, Dami raspberry, guys. Raspberry po yun, guys. Doon din. Masaya talaga sila pag may ulan, look. Ang palaya. Spinach. I-harvest ko to soon, Ito din, guys, lumago na siya, guys. Grabe, ang saya ng ang saya ng mga pananim ko dito, Atsal, lumaki na. Lumaki na yung atsal natin. Ang taba-taba. Ang taba, Ito din taba. Maayong aga sa lahat. Ang saya pag mag-ulan, Masaya yung mga natin. Halaman. Hi, mais. Mais. Tutubo ka lang, ha, para maka-harvest tayo. Talong. Sili. Atsal. Hindi ko talaga alam. What is wrong with you, Roxy? Why you wiggle? Come, let's go inside. Pangtulog na naman ang suot natin, guys, kasi maaga pa siya, guys. Is 8:49 and today is supposedly may kami, may plano nila Lloydie, ni Mark, strawberry picking. Pero guys, may storm. Madilim-dilim dito ngayon, at saka yung storm mag-start ng 4 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Okay, guys, it's time to luto. saya guys pag may gulay sa garden, di ba? Look, maka-harvest ka lang. May gusto kang lutuin at saka may gulay ka. Okay na, pipes na, di ba? Ang sarap. So, naka-harvest tayo ng spinach. I-add natin siya doon. No, madami, no? Hindi ko siya hinarvest, parang inano-ano ko lang yung dahon para may dahon for next, para tutubo yung mga maliliit. So, yun, fresh spinach, dami. Hindi ko alam kung yun, I think tama na yun. Diba kasi yung nilagay ko dito kanina sa extra na sabaw, may ano siya, may tuyo, diba? Lagyan na lang natin ng paminta. Bago ko po ito nakuan, super cute na bago ko ito nakita. Kasi yung iba is siya, yung pula. So, is orange. Sakit ng mata ko. To be honest with you guys, hindi ko feel yung pasta. I mean, masarap man siya guys, walang color, 'di ba? Pero yung pasta, yung flat siya, hindi ko siya type. Yung flat pasta. Your hair here is just like mom, hon. It's waves like that. It just really likes her. This is what she struggled all the time. She sprayed it. The strongest spray on earth. I remember. She's just like, oh, she brush is in here. She just keep brushing it. Brush, spray. Brush, spray.
Forget it.
Look.
Yes, it looks terrible.
It's not. Look, oh. It's not. What's wrong with you?
Well, really, exactly how hot does it have to be to make you happy? Like 115?
Okay, guys. Andito kami sa labas kasi gusto niyang manigarilyo while filming, okay? So, ito guys is sa Tagalog 101 Betami and i-ano ko lang yun sa kanya paano basahin yung mga letter.
And I can tell you right away, I will not remember this. But,
no, I will
I'll
let
do
you
a try.
read.
A.
No, in the Philippines we talk. Yeah.
E.
E.
I say E, then you say no. In the Philippines. A. E. I.
E.
E again.
It's a hard E.
A. E. E. O. U.
Yeah. You say
A. E. E. O. O.
So,
La. Mi. No.
No.
Ma. Mi. Mo. Mu. Joker.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
What do you both say? Me.
Yeah. Just read
Okay.
it.
La. Lili. Lolu. La. Di. Da. Di. Du.
La Lili Lulu.
In this country, that means there's something wrong in your head. La di da di da di da di do. Sa si si so su. Ra ri ri ro ru. Now I'm a dog. Ro ru ro ru ro.
Ro ra
Ro
ri.
ru ru ru.
No.
Ra.
Ri.
I said that. Ra ri ri ro ru.
Yeah. Okay.
Na ni ni no du. Naga nagi nagi nagu nagu. Ano ba ito?
Hindi na nga.
Nya nya.
No.
Ni ni nyo nyo. Oh, chaya.
No ni nga.
Nya.
There's no y. You put y in it. Nga.
Nya.
Nga.
So just leave the G's on it.
No,
Na, ni.
Nga.
What the hell is that? Nah. Ni.
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 You said ni. You said ngi.
Elbow.
Han. You know.
Knee.
No. Ngi.
Nya. 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 Nya.
Han, I will pee.
You.
I will pee very soon. Nga. Ngi.
You're a lousy teacher. How are you teaching? You're not telling me how to make sounds. You're just making sounds.
Your tongue. That's why your tongue is twisted.
My tongue is twisted. My tongue is perfectly straight.
Okay nga.
Nya.
Ngi.
Ni.
Ngi.
Same. Nya. Ni.
Ngu.
Wait.
Nga ngi ngi.
None of the. Nya. Ni. Ni. No. You.
Na new. You said new.
No. You.
It's not new. Nga ngi ngu.
Nung. You. No. You. I gotta talk it to my nose. It's gotta come out of my nose to sound right. What the heck is that? Sorry, guys.
Okay, we're back to that later.
We'll back to that later.
Okay, read that thing. The first one is
Arinola.
no new. It's no I. It's no I.
You said the E sounds like E. E. Arinola.
No, Arinola. N-O.
Arinola.
Yeah.
Lagari.
Okay.
Lagari.
Yeah.
Pangalan.
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 Yeah.
You keep silencing the G, then you need to say so.
Okay.
What Paaralan?
Paara.
Paarala.
Lan.
Paaralan. Nipin.
Yeah. Ngi.
Nipin.
Ngipin.
Nipin.
You said ngi? Can you say ngi?
Nipin. Hey, stop with that. Don't give me no words with G's in them. I don't want to do no
That's
G's.
why I want you
The
in
G's
G.
don't have, it's got a weird sound. I don't want to do G's.
Why you guys?
My mouth don't do G's.
No, you guys can G.
And G means no good. No good come from this. No good.
He really struggling with the NG. He cannot speak NG. Hindi siya makaano ng NG. Iwan ko why.
I don't speak
You
Kauai
guys-
either.
Why?
Awakataki.
Oh,
That's Hawaii.
Kentucky.
Hawaii. Kauai.
di-
See, you said knee too. See, I say knee
Knee.
pin and you said, oh, you don't say
Hindi
it
na-
right.
no.
You just said knee pin.
No, it's not ngipin. Ngi.
Digi.
Ngi. Don't let your mouth. Ngi.
Knee.
Yeah,
Knee pin. Knee pin. They don't think so. Knee. Gotta come out of your nose, guys. That's really it. It's like when you drink water wrong, it comes out of your nose. They don't think so.
Ano you do? Nga.
Yeah, that's like, yeah. You want me to do this stuff? Yeah.
Ano you said? Nga.
Yeah.
Ngi.
Yeah.
Ngi.
Yeah.
Ngu.
No. No. You want me to do this? No.
Ngo.
No, I'll spell it any way you want. No. N-O.
You say,
N-G-O.
Pango.
N-G-O-O.
The Tagalog of president is Pangulo.
Pangolo.
Yeah, Pangulo.
Pangolo.
Yeah.
I've heard him called different things.
No, listen.
I've heard him called different things. Pangolo was not one of them.
The flag is Watawat.
Because people don't know what it is. It's like, what is that? What is that?
Han.
What is that? What? What?
Watawat.
What? What?
Yeah.
What? 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 What?
It's a flag.
Oh, so now I don't have to ask what anymore. It's a flag. I get it. It's not a what, it's a flag.
Yes. The table, do you know what is table? La mesa. You know that probably, right? Spanish, right?
I know some little bit Spanish.
La
so
mesa,
yeah, La
right?
mesa.
Is chair is upuan. Chair.
Opuan. Opuan. Opuan.
Yeah.
Opuan. Is he stuck in there?
Hala, it's inside, hon.
Alright, I
Okay,
gotta
guys.
get him out of there.
Tignan natin, guys.
Let me get my shoes.
Yung ibon, kawawa ba? Andun sa ano. Napasok yung ibon sa kainan. Ay, nakalabas na, oy. Nakalabas. Ang daming pagkain, oh. Nasayang lang to ba? No. She did already. She's able to get out. Han, it's out already.
How do you get out?
No, she just helped herself. I don't know, it's a he or she. Probably she's a he. Stupid. Are you talking to the bird? Han, too much, oi. The other side, oh. This bird eat. Look,
Yeah, I know.
they can still eat from there.
That's why I would leave it.
Okay, yung talong natin. Ang daming strawberry, oh. It's a wild strawberry. Ang tamis nito, guys. Wild strawberries. Ang dami. Ang dami. Ang dami talaga, as in, oh. Matamis, guys. Ang dami. A lot of strawberry. Matamis siya, eh. Ito siya. Meron pa pala akong stick, guys. Ano na siya? Look, I still have few here. Nakatulog talaga ako, guys. Gusto ko, sabi ko, Tami, tulog ako eh. Kasi ano na, maaga ako nagising kanina, and then, yun. Sabi ko, very sleepy. Anyway, guys, mag-ready lang ako, guys. And yun. Mag-ready lang ako.